GCAR members, it's Safety Awareness Month, and Mary Frances and I are here to remind you about FOREWARN. This is an amazing app designed to assess your risk when meeting with new clients, with prospective renters, contractors, anyone you come in contact with in your professional life. FOREWARN instantly does 4 things for us. It verifies a person's identity, confirms their address that they've given you, confirms some financial data, and reports any criminal history. You have the right to verify the person you're doing business with.
Thank you, Julie. That's right. And in case you all haven't heard, FOREWARN is a free benefit available for all GCAR member realtors. And all you need to do is download the app on your phone or computer. And once you have the app, you can search by name or phone number, as Julie mentioned. And I promise it's so quick and easy to do in just a couple of simple steps.
Let's look at the app and see how easy it is. So you get a call about selling a local property. You get the person's name and their contact information, your normal phone call. You can then open the app, plug in either their phone number or their name, and all this information comes up instantly. You can verify they are who they say they are, that the address of the property actually belongs to them, and the phone number as well. You can see if they have a criminal history or any financial data that may be an indicator that they're not being authentic with you. This is just, of course, one step in confirming who you're working with, but it's instantaneous and it gives you information that you can use to decide what your next steps are.
So with FOREWARN, safer showings and smarter engagements.